Hello everyone. Today we are discussing Leetcode problem number 169, majority element. In this question, we have to find the majority element which exists in an array, which specifies that given an array nums of size n and return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array, which means that the array nums contain 3, 2, 3. So what will be the size of this array? The size of the array is 3. So the element 3 exists more than n by 2 times. If we divide 3 divided by 2, we get 1.5 and the occurrence of the 3 is 2. So which is greater than 1.5. So we get an output of 2. And similarly, we get 2, 2. The size of the array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 is the size of array and the occurrence of number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 is greater than the n by 2 times of the size. So the output of this is 2. So to deal with that type of question, we are going to use Hashmap. Hashmap. So the array nums contain 3, 2, 3. So we are going to use an unordered map to deal with this. So how exactly an unordered map works? So we are going to use an unordered map which is of int type, integer type of unordered map, and it will count the frequency of this elements nums. So the frequency of 3 when while traversing 3, the occurrence of 3 is, right now it is 1, then it will go to next, it sees 2, so the new element 2 is here, so it shows 2, and then it will the occurrence of 2 is 1, and then it will go to next, it finds once again 3, so we get 3, we get 2. So the occurrence of 2 is this, the size of this array is 3, and the occurrence of 3 is 2. Occurrence of 3 is 2. So if we check this 3 by 2, we get if we consider only integer part, which is 1, and the occurrence of 3 is 2, which is greater than 2, so the majority element is 3. So we are going to implement this. So let's code this. First we are going to declare an unordered map. So declaring the unordered map, which is going to be type of integer, and we are going to name it as major map. Then we are using a for each loop for putting the element in the majority map. So using for each loop to put the elements in the major map. So we are going to use a integer type of variable which is x, which is going to traverse over nums, and it will going to fill the elements in the majority map. So we are going to use major map x and then plus plus. So now this will do what? Stores the frequency of the elements in the map. Okay. So now we are going to traverse the hash map. So we are for traversing the hash map we are going to use a pair type of variable because it traverses the hash map easily. We can also use auto, but pair is recommended. But actually, behind the scene, the it is pairy. It's pair which can traverse the majority map, which we are going to traverse over major map, and we are also calculating the size of the array, which is nums dot size. Then we just have to check a few conditions. If the frequency of any element, which is the frequency of element, is stored in this. As you are aware, accessing the element in a hash map are used using x dot first, and this part is x dot second. So we are going for x dot second is greater than any case is n by 2, then we can easily say that the corresponding element is the majority element in the string. So what will be the output is we are going to return the x dot first. Okay. Guaranteed solution exists. So let's check it. We have to declare anything. We can return empty. As you can see, why guaranteed solution exists in the hash map? Because it is specified in the question that the majority element is always exist in the array. So let's run it. Great. As you can see, our solution is accepted, and it takes 0 millisecond and beats 100%. So now let's discuss the time complexity of this code and space complexity also. So the space complexity of this code is linear because we have used a hash map to store and do the task, and the time complexity of the hash map is n log n. Thank you for watching, and feedback is appreciated. Thank you.